dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing. Yeah, tears falling down, underdogs finally overcoming, cause I'm dropping buckets.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs and welcome to the G80 M3. As you guys have seen throughout this week, we've done a ton of videos on the HFD, but we wanted to showcase all of the different sound configurations just in case you were to buy your G80 and you want to get either just our mid-pipe, you have a stock rear, you have different downpipes, whatever the case may be, we want to showcase all of the sound characteristics for you all. So in this video, we have a free flow downpipe from IRL. We have the HFD Midpipe, which is the most incredible mid-pipe on the market right now. And we have the stock rear section. So let's go to the back. I know a lot of owners want to retain the factory exhaust tips, give it that OEM plus type of look, but want more sound. And this is most definitely for you then, because as you'll hear, sounds quite good. That's with the valves closed, and we're also utilizing the factory valves with that rear section. So no valve controller in this video. We're operating the valves with the M1 and M2 buttons and the little exhaust button in the center. So that was startup. I'm gonna open up the valves now. As you guys may have heard, the valves did just open up there, so you definitely get a bit more of a growl back. But we're gonna go inside the car and we're gonna take it over to the airstrip now. Throughout this video, we're gonna do revs, flybys, part accelerations, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting with Phil and I, not Nate as usual, on the interior, really seeing what the HFD mid-pipe does for this G80. So let's go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the G80 M3 now. As I mentioned before, this is the Free Flow Downpipes with the HFD Midpipe and the stock rear. So, cruising along right now with the valves closed. As you guys can see here, the exhaust button is off, but if I click it, you're gonna hear a bit more drama out back. We're gonna keep them closed for now while the car is warming up. But this is really just to showcase that you don't need the full system to get what is a truly excellent experience, but just how transformative the HFD Midpipe really is when it comes to these S58s. It really does give them quite an exotic sound. Throw ourselves back in automatic and we'll just wait as this thing warms up. But you're just gonna hear, especially on the airstrip, just how exotic this midpipe makes the S58 sound, giving it kind of like the R35 GTR-esque characteristic. It's super raw, but it still offers a daily drivability aspect to it with either the stock rear or the Valvetronic rear as well. If you guys are interested in hearing any of the other sound configurations, 200 cell, 400 cell downpipes, stock downpipes, the whole shoot and match is going to be in the description below. So if this sound isn't really for you, we definitely do have something that would fit your style and taste a little bit better. So check that out as well down below, the whole playlist. But right now we're cruising along, 6th gear, 39 miles per hour, and it sounds like it's a bone stock G80 in here. So what's exciting though, is we throw ourselves in M2 mode, you can hear the valves open up. These are stock burbles, by the way. This car is completely stock, no tune, just the exhaust. So something to note as well is with the factory rear section and the factory valves, you kind of are losing a little bit of flexibility in the sense of the valves will open and close kind of whenever they want, and they don't open at their full limit. It's not 100% open or 100% closed ever. It's kind of variable when it comes to your throttle position, what mode you're in. So to get the most flexibility out of our rear section or the stock rear is definitely to get our valve controller with the kit, which that comes included as well when you get the full cat back. Now, if you did want to retain the factory OEM look and keep the rear muffler, you can get our valve controller, and that will give you the flexibility to be able to open the valves 100% open and close with the factory muffler as well. So as you guys could hear right there, the valves were kind of opening and closing, even though I'm an M2 with the exhaust button on as well. They're kind of open and closing when they want to, depending on throttle position. So that's why having that valve controller is definitely key when having a setup like this. So as you guys can tell too, like the pops aren't as pronounced right now because the valves are technically open, but they're only about 60% open. So the pops will sound different when you're at full throttle and let off than half throttle pull and then you let off. So just having that control is really valuable. Like right now they're very muffled, but you'll hear once I do a watt pull. Those ones are super pronounced. And that, everybody, is the ultimate exhaust solution for the G80 M3 and the G82 M4. soon to be the G87 M2 as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing it run up and down the airstrip. As you guys could hear throughout that 5, 6, 7,000 RPM mark, you really do get that R35 GTR type sound out of what is mostly known to be not a very good sounding vehicle. At the time of you watching this video, either this HFD midpipe is going to be on a waitlist program where you can go and plug in your email and you'll get first dibs as soon as they're on our shelves, or they're going to be on our shelves, ready to be at your house within 2 to 4 business days. That being said, stay tuned for more German sound improvement projects, where it's not going to be a BMW next time, but it might be an Audi. Take care.